Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm guiding you through a super useful skill: how to use Wix Studio's CMS to manage your website's content with ease and flexibility. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to centralize your content, link it seamlessly to your site design, and set up automatic dynamic pages, saving you hours of manual updates and giving your site a polished professional feel. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to make sure you're editing the right site, so head over to your Wix website design dashboard. This is your creative workspace. Everything builds from here. Once your site is loaded, look towards the lower left corner of the screen where you'll find the CMS button. Think of this as the home base for all your website's information. It's where text, images, and even links get organized and stored. Click on CMS, and then you'll see an option to Add to Site. Go ahead and select that. What you're doing is actually enabling the content management system for your website, which means you're about to upgrade how you handle everything from blog posts to portfolios. Now for the fun part, creating your first collection. Imagine collections as folders or even digital filing cabinets that keep each type of content in its own spot. Click on Create a Collection and give it a name that matches what you'll be storing, like projects or blog. This sets the stage for neat organization, so you'll thank yourself later. Next, take a minute to add the fields your content will need. Maybe a title so people know what it is, an image to catch their attention, a description for detail, and maybe a link if you want folks to visit something external. The idea here is to build out your collection with columns that make sense for your real-life needs, just like labeling shelves in a closet. With your collection ready, it's time to actually add some data. Start entering your information, row by row. Each row is its own item. Think of each row as a distinct project or a single blog post. Fill in the details, and don't worry if you need to make changes later. Flexibility is the heart of the CMS. Take your time here, especially with images and links. Double-check that everything looks correct, just like prepping for a big launch. Once your data's all set, now comes the magic: connecting your content to your site design. Say you have a section on your homepage for featured projects. Add a text box, an image, or a repeater element. That's great for lists gallery style. Click on the element, then choose Connect to Data. You'll select your new collection and the specific field you want to show, like pulling the project title or the image, directly from your CMS. This makes updating your site totally seamless. Change the data and the content updates everywhere. Now, harness the real power of Wix's CMS with dynamic pages. Let Wix auto-generate a page for each item in your collection, using a single design template. It's kind of like a mail merge. Just set up the look once. And Wix automatically fills in your content for every row, so every project or blog post gets its own page, fully customized. And the best part? You can update your content anytime. Simply edit your collection, change a title, swap an image, or add a new item, and your site instantly reflects those updates. No need to redesign or copy-paste across multiple pages. It's all automatic. So, to wrap up, collections store your content, connected elements display it across your site, and dynamic pages let Wix do the heavy lifting of creating individual pages for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have questions or run into any challenges. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.